I think you are already familiar with these topics in C and C++, where in data types is subdivided in primitives and non-primitive data types. It will be explained furtherly. Data be mostly used in programming. We must take numbers or characters. Number we have two types, integer and decimals, or we can say floating point. Integer is further in four types: byte, short, int, and long. Now, why we need these four different data types? For just integer, why not use one of these? These variables consumes memory better and memory utilization. We have four different sizes where byte is 8 bits, short is 16 bit, int is 32 bit and long is 64 bit. As similarly in decimal we have two data types, float and double. If we want to store a same small decimal values as pi equals to 3.14, we will use float. In float we use lowercase or uppercase f on it, example 3.14f. So if we use double, as my bitcoin is equal to some value. Now for storing characters we only have char. For example, we can see the example of character is charc equals to a. In Java, string is a class, not a primitive data types. And last, data type is boolean. We are using true or false value for that. Now we can go. Now in this boolean, we can go through only two values, true or false. Now our next topic is operators in Java. Arithmetic operator, unary operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, ternary operator, bitwise operator, and shift operator. I think you are already familiar with these operators in your previous language, C and C++. These are the important data types and operators we are using in Java to write our program. Now, operator in Java, I hope you all are familiar with this in C, C++. Java supports several type of operators. Let's start with some of operators. We can draw a tree, branches while explaining you. First will be unary operator. Java supports increment and decrement operator. So if you want to increase or decrease the value by 1, just use this unary operator. Now the second one is basically in this operator you have already familiar with this. It's arithmetic operator. Third one is relational operator. We use this operator almost everywhere, and these extended their purpose. For example, not equal is used to compare two operators. Suppose 50 is not equals to 10. It fulfills the criteria. Now the next one is logical operator. We have three operators in logical: and, or, and not. If we want two or more conditions true, we use AND operator. If we need only one condition is to be true, we use OR, where not is mostly used with equals. Assignment operator. I think you all are familiar with this. Now bitwise operator. Java also supports bitwise operator, which was used mostly when you use embedded programming